Hakwa Nadro. From the Coral Coast where the warriors rise, Vasu and vanua, vakaturaga, Biausevu, my Baravi. Bloodline strong, chiefly ties, that's my heritage, my wife. Yeah, single mama to a beautiful girl, my shining light. Moved to Australia, chasing dreams in the dead of night. Building a life, working hard, family by my side. Through every storm, I hold her close, she's my pride. Still here today, Nadroga in my heart, forever I'll stay. Yeah. 2022 came maybe, rare disease in my tummy. Doctor said 3 days, but the Almighty had other plans for me. I fought, I prayed, I rose again, miracle in my veins. Now every sunrise feels like grace, washing away the pain. Then 23 broke me, lost my dad across the sea. Couldn't say goodbye, tears fell like rain on Sydney streets. Miss him every moment, but I feel him in the breeze. Life goes on, he's in a better place, watching over me. Smiling wide, Nadroga blood running deep inside. To my girl, my reason, my everything true. Mama's gonna keep going, all for you. From Nadroga sun to Aussie shore, we rise, we love, we open new doors. Hakwa Nadro, Nadroga girl forever, that's who I am, yo. Survived the impossible, still enjoying this life with my daughter beside me.